Most of us use YouTube on a daily basis, but there are a lot of interesting facts about YouTube we don't know. I love numbers and statistics, so if you're like me and want to know more interesting figures that will help you to develop a successful video marketing strategies for your business, then watch the video till the end. YouTube user statistics. 1. More than 50 million creators are on YouTube. 2. 2 billion active users use YouTube on a monthly basis. Omnicore 2019. 3. 62% of businesses use YouTube. And 9% of small businesses are on YouTube. 4. 51% of YouTube users say they visit the platform daily. 5. YouTube attracts about 32% of users on the internet. 6. 35 plus and 55 plus age groups are the fastest growing YouTube demographics. 7. Amongst the top 10 highest trending stars of YouTube, 5 are gamers. YouTube usage statistics. 8. According to Alexa, YouTube is the second most visited website on the internet. 9. 45% of people watch weekly more than 60 minutes of YouTube or Facebook videos. HubSpot 2016. 10. About 5 billion YouTube videos are viewed on average every day. Omnicore 2018. 11. 50 billion hours of YouTube gaming content viewed over 2018. 12. 62% of YouTube users are males. Omnicore 2018. 13. 65% of senior executives navigate to a site after viewing a related YouTube video. Single Grain 2018. 14. More than 70% of YouTube watch time comes from people using mobile devices. 15. 500 million people watch YouTube on their phones every day. 16. 20% of users will leave a video if it hasn't hooked them in the first 10 seconds. 17. 18% of YouTube traffic comes from countries outside USA. 18. Over 15.8% of YouTube's visitors are Americans. 19. Many people would prefer to watch a YouTube video 3 times more than to read an instruction manual according to YouTube. 20. 60% of people prefer to watch videos on YouTube than watching live TV, according to a recent survey. 21. 50% of the viewers under the age of 32 will not subscribe to any paid TV service. Statistical data estimation by the year 2025. 22. On average, 80% of the 18 to 49-year-olds visit YouTube to watch the latest videos. 23. 50% of the American internet users of age 75 and over are YouTube users. 24. Each user is spending about 40 minutes on average watching videos on YouTube. YouTube content statistics. 25. 45% of marketers plan to add YouTube to their content strategy in the next year. HubSpot 2018. 26. Over 81% of parents use YouTube and search for content for their children. 27. More than 50% of YouTube users use the platform to learn things they are not aware of and to work out how to do things they have not done before, such as do-it-yourself videos. YouTube ad statistics. 28. YouTube ads have an attention rate of 62%, while TV accounts for 45%. 29. Viewers who complete YouTube ads by watching them for at least 30 seconds or till the end are 23 times more likely to visit and even subscribe to that brand channel. They will watch more videos by that brand or share that brand video. Viewers who are exposed to YouTube ads but don't watch the entire ads are still 10 times more likely to perform one of these actions. 30. As of 2019, people have watched over 50,000 years of product review videos on YouTube and on mobile devices alone. Consumers search for such YouTube videos whether they are window shoppers or in the final stages of product evaluation. 31. Customers are much happier when a brand provides more information about their products or services. As of 2019, Many small and medium-sized businesses are using YouTube advertising. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you on the next video.